We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Dash, the powerful tool to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, look for the Dash icon on the left sidebar. Click on it to get started with Dropbox Dash. Dash is designed to help you quickly find and access your files, so it's important to know how to make the most of it. When you open Dash, you'll see a search bar at the top. You can type in keywords related to the files or folders you are looking for, and Dropbox Dash will instantly display results from your entire Dropbox, making it easy to find what you need without scrolling through endless folders. If you want to narrow down your search, you can use filters like file type, date modified, or even shared files. This helps refine your search results, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Another cool feature is Dash's ability to create shortcuts. If there are files or folders you frequently access, you can save them as shortcuts for quick access right from the Dash interface. To do this, simply locate the file, right-click, and choose Add to Dash Shortcuts. Now, it's always just a click away. Dropbox Dash also integrates with third-party apps, allowing you to search for content across platforms like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office directly from Dash. This means you can pull up documents or spreadsheets that aren't just in Dropbox but also in your connected accounts. Always make sure your integrations are properly set up under the Settings menu in Dropbox. Lastly, if you are collaborating with a team, Dropbox Dash can help you keep track of shared files and updates, ensuring you're always in the loop. So next time you're looking for something specific or trying to streamline your digital workspace, remember that Dropbox Dash is there to make your life easier. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.